What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bigysnbaby, and I'm back for another video. And today we got the last Slimeto, Fuck the Industry. My friend told me to react to Fuck the Industry, Kamikaze, and I told him to give me the top three. And he said Fuck the Industry, Kamikaze, and got what else on it too. But we're gonna figure it out. Let's go. I wanted to drop too.
17. I told him on both sides.
Look, Panama convertible, still ain't looking like I'm rich. DL fish straight out the stove, still look like I'm out in trench. Fella, I still deal with coats, still gon' send them fucking hitters. No, I be on hella dope, still don't drink to find my rhythm. Yeah, pussy nigga can't still keep up with me. Yeah, he been killing shit, but still can't fuck with me. Yeah, I got slides that bang that 5 and still gon' shoot for free. Can't control me, no, I'm on go. I don't let shit go, I say no. I just bought a brand new Glock and it ain't come up out the stove. If a op try block me off, I shoot this bitch right on the road. I keep drugs inside my body and won't let them take my.
Do y'all really think anybody's better than this nigga, bro? Like, at this point in life, like, do you think anybody's soul, like, is better than this nigga right now?
So, dope ass nigga look like he's selling dope, huh? Pistol toting that nigga, keep that pole, huh? Shake his swag, he act bad with these hoes, huh? Kill that nigga by that dissing bitch, they know now. He won't be just like his cousin Meech, a real fucking slime. He won't be just like that nigga Yeezy, he won't rose, huh? He just won't be real fucking shyster like his uncle, huh? He just won't be real fucking icy like he sound a sign. He say he don't wanna be nobody, he wanna be the top. He say he don't give a fuck about it, just get him the guap. He say y'all can make an album about it, just don't fucking try. Get the fucking industry on your side, still gon' die. I'm a convertible, still ain't looking like I'm rich. DL fish straight out the stove, still look like I'm out in trench. Fella, I still deal with coats, still gon' send them fucking hitters. No, I be on hella dope, still don't drink to find my rhythm. Yeah, pussy ass nigga still can't keep up with me. Yeah, he been killing shit, but still can't fuck with me. Yeah, I got slides that bang that 5 and still gon' shoot for free. Can't control me, no, I'm on dope. I'm probably fucking on your hoe. No, they can't control me, probably spit on that hoe. Put me back in jail and I was still in there on dope. Know that we don't give no fuck, try spitting them on the road. That my bro. Who be out the window, Michael Mirror? No, I put it on. Gon' get killed if you don't kill me, and I know I made it.
I'm making a video.
Can I stay?
You don't stand the phone. Well, mute yourself too.
I'ma flex on him, told the bitch don't call my phone. Sent the blitz on him, run him down like boom. Don't give a fuck about who up in, we can shoot it down. Don't give a fuck about if you in here, you a part the crowd count. You gon' die while you up in here, when that blick make the sound. Probably catch me smoking loud, riding round. And a Panama convertible, still ain't looking like I'm rich. DL fish straight out the stove, still look like I'm out in trench. Fella, I still deal with coats, still gon' send them fucking hitters. No, I be on hella dope, still don't drink to find my rhythm. Yeah, pussy ass nigga still can't keep up with me. Yeah, he been killing shit, but still can't fuck with me. Yeah, I got slides that bang that 5 and still gon' shoot for free. Can't control me, no, I'm on go.
I don't let shit go, nigga, you is a hoe. Yeah, you didn't like the video, you a hoe. And your mama is a hoe, and your daddy is a hoe, cause you didn't like the motherfucking video. And the next one is Kamikaze.
I got Hitman on the beat.
Havoc on the beat, bitch. Look, niggas clicking up like hoes.
Yeah.
Pull up and I'm strapped on with a lot of poles. You better have your flag if that's the gang you chose. Let's go, you better hit the gas and get your name on, bitch. Nigga, this is tech now. Pull up at the right side, the window down. You won't bang out, we gon' bang out, you won't fuck with slime. I leave that paint out, that's your name out, put your name on lines. I say that list that put them bodies straight up in a day. Young nigga look like Kamikaze, might die to get your murder. Check out my pants, check out my shirt. What's tucked up in, come with a bird. If stay up in, we come in search. Next time we spin, you gon' get murdered. You merch. And can't no pastor stop no headshot. Out the window with that red dot, shoot it spit out. Knock all that bitch head off. I'm murder, man. No time for playing this Glock, come with a burst. Bitch, try anything. Nigga, need that squeak game. Bitch, I make him cop. Nigga, catch him, let that six thing. Play, he gon' get knocked. He gon' bang out, we gon' bang out, ain't no standing down.
Yo.
We let that stick up from the
That nigga young boy loves Squid Game.
street while all your family around. If you want beef, I better creep out from the Glock, put you to sleep. I'm in the bayou in the seat. These slides petite, we wet your feet. We bear your cabbage, play with me. Bitch, they gon' bear you in the week. You know I beef, fuck all them strings. I love to hear that chopper speak.
Bobby love them. He don't love them strings. He like that hear that chopper spree. Come on, man.
Nigga, this a tech now. Pull up at the right side, the window down. Bang out, we gon' bang out, you won't fuck with slime. I leave that paint out, etch your name out, put your name on lines. I say that list that put them bodies straight up in a day. Young nigga look like I'm a cousin, might die to get your merch. Check out my pants, check out my shirt. What's tucked up in, come with a bird. If stay up in, we come and search. Next time we spin, you gon' get murked. And I grew up, I was talking out the blood strap down in the truck, doped up bitch. Time to shoot up the scene, like 17. No lemon squeeze and no switch. I'ma make you scream right off the back. I up this gate, so don't flinch. Can't get this monkey off my back, I'm popping pills with dope in. Navigator with a Tech 9. Fuck a hater, bitch, it's my time. Been having thoughts on slanging ass since my big brother day died. Certified step about mine. Come out the top with that iron. Up out my motherfucking mind. Saying they gon' die by my fire. I beat the block till I die. No sense in grandpa, keep trying. I got my flag, I'm throwing signs behind enemy lines. Control the gas, the one who driving. Bang that red heel slime. Got little eyes, but still on trap. Me, I'm strapped and ready right now, nigga. Nigga, this is Tech 9. Pull up at the right side, the window down. Bang out, we gon' bang out, you won't fuck with slime. I leave that paint out, etch your name out, put your name on lines. I say that list that put them bodies straight up in a day. Young nigga look like I'm a cousin, might die to get your merch. Check out my pants, check out my shirt. What's tucked up in, come with a bird. If stay up in, we come and search. Next time we spin, you gon' get murked, bitch.
Hey, that's kamikaze. Shoot you in your fucking body. Hold on. That's gonna be it for them two. And I got two more.